Okay, YouTubers, this is the Angry Prepper. Today's video is going to be a test on the survival cord. Right now, I did a review on it, or sort of like a box opening on it, a couple weeks ago. Now I'm doing a tensile test, right? So this is a 63 kilogram kettlebell. It's roughly 79 pounds, right? Roughly. So I'm going to tie this to this and pull it up and see how it holds up to it. Now, to be fair, I don't have any of the cheaper paracord I have. I have known for it to break under less weight than that, when they said that the weight of it was the tensile strength was 550, right? The tensile strength on the survival cord and warrior cord is 620, right? So 620 pounds of tensile strength. We're going to test it out today with two tests: my body weight, which is 260 pounds, and the kettlebell. We're going to start with the kettlebell first, though. I wrapped it 4 times, put 2 hitches in it, so it shouldn't go anywhere. Alright, so it seems to be holding pretty good. Now this rope feels different, right? It doesn't feel like the cheap one, it feels sturdier. So that's pretty good. Alright, so the next test is going to be my body weight, which should be real quick. I'm going to wrap it around the tree and lean back. See how it does with that. Okay, so now, real quick, of course the 550 cord melted a little bit from the friction of me pulling the kettlebell up. So obviously don't do that unless you're going to test it. If you're going to test it too, use gloves. I didn't damage my hands, but I felt the pain after I let it go. So just try not to follow my lead. Now, with this is me testing my body weight on here. Oh, and real quick, I think I might have snapped some of the wiring inside, because it's starting to pop through the casing here. I'll show you this in a little bit when I'm done with this test. Right, so this is me leaning all the way back, putting all of my weight onto it. So that's 260 pounds. You figure? And it didn't pop. Now I've had other 550 cord pop, and that wasn't me putting all my weight into it. So this is not pretty strong. It's strong. Like I said, I'm replacing all of my paracord with this. Now I did say before that this cord feels different than the average of 550 cord. It feels like skinnier climbing rope. It's like it's really good. I mean, it's just the way it's built, man. It's worth the money. So the the 12 bucks, the 18 bucks, whatever it is, or $23 for this one, it is worth it. And I promise you, you will not regret buying this. All right, guys. So again, I'm hoping you can see this. It's melted. I'm gonna see if I can take a picture and put it up, right? But it's melted from the friction. And let me show you might have went back in, but there was a little bit of a wire sticking out in this section here, but it went back in, I guess. Nope, it didn't. Hopefully you can see that. All right, so it probably broke inside somewhere. Alright, guys, so this was a quick strength test, of the survival cord by Titan. Again, I swear by this. I said existing paracord is going to be replaced with this, and the warrior cord I'm going to use as well. But this is going to be my main go-to from here on out. So I guess I'm going to be spending way more than $23 on the stuff. Alright guys, so this is the Angry Prepper. Thank you for watching. You can like and subscribe to this channel. You can also like and subscribe to my urban channel. And I started a new channel, the Angry Lensman channel for photography. If you don't mind, you can head over there, like and subscribe if you're into photography. Alright guys, thank you for watching.